Kia Sonet or Toyota Vios 1.3 XE CVT for long run, please. Beginner also, thank you. Sige, Isay, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So, nung sinabi mong for long run, please, automatically speaking, rekta na, Toyota. You can never go wrong with Toyota. And then Vios, absolutely one of the best na pangmatagalan, pangmalakasan, patibayan. Vios talaga is proven and tested. You can say naman with all the taxis in the Philippines. So pag sinabing long run between these two, Sonet or Vios, of course, Vios talaga. But pag sinabi kasing car ownership, it's very important as well that you're happy and satisfied with what you have, right? Happy ka sa looks, happy ka sa interior, which para sa akin naman, Kia Sonet is isa siya sa pinaka magandang interior sa class na to in the price range. So maybe you have around 700k or 800k peso budget for both of these cars. So para sa akin, yung pakiramdam pag nasa loob ka ng sasakyan, si Kia Sonet talaga yung gusto ko dito. And then as a previous Vios owner, no, yun lang talaga, laging sinasabi, ground clearance is gonna be one of the most challenging in car ownership. So sinabi natin long run, and then palagi namang sumasayad yung sasakyan natin because of our daily route. Yung lagi nating dinadaanan is malubak, may malalaking humps. So consider that obviously ground clearance would be a very high priority. Lalo na pagka loaded, madami kayong sakay lagi. And I think pag sinabing in the long run also, maybe you can still be confident with the Kia Sonet kasi maraming bumili, maraming parts available, I believe. Kasi ayan nga, madami nga silang mga customers lately. So okay rin naman yun para sa akin lang, mga 5 to 10 years siguro by that time mag-upgrade ka na rin. So yun lang, sana nakatulong. Please check my YouTube channel, have a lot of reviews for you guys. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.